Hey YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a very special video in the making for you guys. We are doing our official announcement video for ASUS ROG, that is the ASUS Republic of Gamers, and Nvidia, in the fact that we're going into a full partnership with them over the next couple of months and hopefully for an indefinite time period as well. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a special brand new graphics card that they have kindly sent me, which is the ASUS GeForce RTX 2070 Super ROG Republic of Gamers Strix OC 8GB graphics card. It's a beautiful graphics card. You guys are going to get to see it unboxed as soon as I get to use it today. You can find it on ebuyer.com from the following link at a deal right now of £600. It was around $680 before, but the price has gone down on the card. If you guys are interested in getting it, obviously financial options are available. What we're going to be doing is doing a full unboxing of the card. I'm going to then film off my phone in a separate video and connect it together with this video to show you guys what the card looks like when we're installing the product and when it's actually in the computer as well. And after that, we're going to try and get some Call of Duty gameplay over the next couple of days and also link that in with the video so you can see how the card performs in game for Call of Duty while streaming at the same time, by the way. So we're going to be multitasking with this card and just looking at how amazing the graphics are, how the RTX features work, and just giving you guys a full description of the benefits of using this card and why you guys should cop the card as well. So let's get into the actual unboxing. I feel like a child at Christmas right now. As you can see here, I have the product. Thank you again to ASUS Nvidia for sending it to me. So let's get it unboxed, let's get it unwrapped, and let's see what we actually have in here, shall we? Never done an unboxing before. It is the beast itself. So it comes in this amazing colourful packaging. It's the ROG Strix gaming card, as mentioned, the 8GB GDDR6 memory, OC edition, RTX GeForce 2070 Super by, of course, the Republic of Gamers. And obviously when you go back, it tells you all about more of the techie stuff like the contact technology or extreme technology, the Aura syncs, the fan design, the BIOS you can do at the software suite, and how the card itself actually works once you get it installed and when you kind of want to get it to your specification and how you want to set the card up itself. Let's have a look at what the product looks like when we actually go inside of it and pull the card out. Alright, so we're going to do a full unboxing of the inside of the card as well. It comes in this fancy packaging, there's Strix on the front, which looks really nice. Now once we put that down, have a look and see what we're dealing with here. Feel like some sort of celebrity. Look at this, how nice it looks on the inside. It's got ASUS written on like gold writing. So it feels like you're getting like a special package, which is awesome. Gives you a speed setup. So you know, like when you buy new cars and then you get like the information that you get inside of like the car booklet. Thank you for purchasing an ASUS graphics card. Obviously you get all the details inside and all the multi-languages that you may need in terms of getting the best out of your card. So as we just pop that to the side for a second, let's actually open up and have a look at the card itself. So you've got your attachment things here, and then the actual card itself. When you get graphics cards, they always come in this like lining packaging, like a plastic lining. Now this, I think, is by far the biggest graphics card I have ever dealt with. This thing is an absolute beauty. I've never used a triple fan card before, and it's even got the ASUS branding on the front circles of it himself. If you look on the back of it, it's got this protective packaging on it originally with some plastic, and it's got ASUS branded all over it. Let's give you a little bit of a closer look so you guys can see just how nice the card itself actually looks. And then obviously the back sides, where you've got the parts that you plug into the PC itself. Right, the nice colouring that's on the side there as well, and obviously the back with the protective package on at the moment. So that's the full unboxing of the product itself. What we're going to do next is switch over to mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you guys me actually installing the product and what it looks like once the product's been installed. Okay, so now we've unplugged the old graphics card, and as you can see in the top slot, we've plugged in the new ASUS Strix in there as well. So we've got now the power cables, which we're going to get these installed, and then we're going to connect everything back up, and then once we go from there, we're going to show you guys what it looks like when the power is on. Now I turn the computer on, alongside the RAM and the fan, all the beautiful lights. You've got the RGB from the card as well to show that it's on, it's working, it looks great, and it adds to the amazing colour theme of the computer that we've already got. Ray tracing, well, like I said, it's a setting that you can turn on that if your card can handle it and the game can run it, you're looking at lower latency, better frames, and just generally better at game experience as well. Eventually, hopefully, we get to the point in the world where ray tracing becomes just the usual, where games will be like so advanced and cards that we buy will be so advanced that you can literally just get, like, that ray tracing will just be a standard thing, you know? And then everybody will be playing on like top frames, people will be playing on like top settings, your frames will be good, you'll be low, latency will be low, it will just look clean. When I go to show you guys some videos videos later as well. ASUS have kindly provided us with some videos on both Call of Duty and Minecraft and what the games look like when you use ray tracing on it. And you see the difference, just how smooth the game is and the difference that it makes, man. It's honestly, it's absolutely incredible if you guys haven't seen it or haven't used it before. So I'm going to be running through some points and letting you guys know about some RTX features that I want to speak to you guys about right now, so you guys can see what we're talking about and what we know what we're talking about as well. As anyone who hasn't used RTX before, ray tracing before, that seems to be where the future of content is definitely going to be going, with better refresh, G-Sync monitors. Honestly, it just makes the game look like so much different. So benefits obviously of high FPS and HZ gaming. You got 3 key benefits at playing at that. So obviously this isn't going to apply too much to console right now, but when the new consoles come out, you definitely will see a difference. But we're talking like top end right here. Obviously lower latency is higher FPS, which means that you get faster generated frames. You're up to about 100 ms faster as well. It means you see your enemies earlier and you react earlier, increasing your reaction time. So when you see these pro players play, they're probably playing on like 240 hertz monitors and playing with ray tracing on. That's why they have the best advantage in reacting to stuff and taking people out when they take them out as well. All right, so less latency is also less input lag. It makes it easier to aim and to shoot as well. So you don't get any of like the motion blur. You get like smoother animations. There's nothing worse than when you play on like a low hertz and that kind of stuff, or you play at like 60 FPS and people like jittering across the screen. To anyone who's dealt with console, and you know, I've come from 60 FPS to even just 144. The difference, man, on the frame rate, and apparently the difference between that is like even more, from like 144 to 240. So one day I'm definitely gonna try 240 hertz, man. But like just the difference, the smoothness of how things move and just how much better it is for you to hit your shots and see what your enemies are moving to is absolutely incredible. So I can't even imagine what it must look like on these pro player screens when they're running at like 240 hertz and all that kind of stuff. Stuff's absolutely crazy. And then obviously better visibility as well. Obviously with low FPS and hertz brings problems with what we said about screen tearing, stuttering, blurriness, all that kind of stuff, and just puts you at a disadvantage, mate. You ain't gonna beat someone who's a really good player who's playing on better hertz, better frames, and just a better like monitor than what you've got. It's gonna be a lot tougher. It's gonna be exciting to see where the future of gaming is going with all this new stuff that's coming out. And now we're gonna show you guys just the 2 videos. First one's to do with Huskers. So thank you again to ASUS GeForce for getting these videos over to me. And this is just at 144 FPS here on when you watch Huskers play. The guy's an absolute freak at the game, by the way. Just watch out how smooth his screen is and how you can see all the movement and everything that you can see here as well. All right, there's one play that he does in this. This is with just this generic RAM, by the way, as well. I don't know how much you guys are into Warzone, but if you do ever watch these tournaments, I watch this guy all the time. I can't get over how good his aim actually is. Kid's an absolute beast, honestly. Right, how? Look, if I've seen this happen in my game, right, straight away I'd think hacker. We're just saying the difference between like having high FPS, good hertz, good monitor with a good refresh rate, like the difference that it makes. How you can just see every single movement. The plays that this kid makes is absolute beast as well. Yeah, I'll 10 for the 2 special. Facts. Absolute facts. So that's the difference of what it can make for you in Call of Duty. He outplays them so well as well, man. Like, this is the problem, man. When I play Warzone, I seem to run into these people all the time. So right there, look at the people he's playing against as well. That was like, what? Mr. Savage was in that game right there. Like, these are not even just like bad players. These are all really good players as well. It's from the Nvidia channel, so you can find out all their stuff on how frames can help you become a, like, you know, just a more consistent, decent player in terms of how things look. And as well as that, we're going to show you it with Minecraft. I know you're going to be like, what, Minecraft with RTX on? Let me show you what the gameplay looks like with RTX on. Let's check it out, chat. It's beautiful Minecraft. Look at this. Chat, what do you think? Should we do an RTX Minecraft stream sometime? Look at the difference. RTX on, RTX off. Yeah? You think that'd be good? Look at the difference, man. Are you seeing this? It doesn't even look like the same game. It does show you the difference with having ray tracing on and what it can do if you do have the right shaders, the right, you know, monitor with the right refresh rate and everything like that. The difference it makes is absolutely insane. Minecraft 2.0 right here, Twitch chat. It's absolutely awesome, man. This right here is the future of gaming, chat, I'm telling you. All like consoles and computers and monitors will hopefully be built to have this as a standard, and all games will just look so much better. I didn't even know Minecraft could look this good. This made me want to play it again, chat. I hope you guys got the general gist of what it is that we were talking about, where the future of gaming is going. Big up to ASUS again for sending me the graphics card. And if you guys want to see what graphics card it is that I'm using right now, exclamation mark ASUS in the chat. It is currently on discount at E.